I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by launching Windows Movie Maker and creating a new project right away. Import your clips and audio into the Collections pane so everything is available. This prevents interruptions later. Once done, drag a primary clip onto the timeline to anchor the edit and set the project aspect ratio to 16:9 or 4:3 depending on delivery. This ensures clips don't get cropped. Make sure to name and save the project file. Frequent saves avoid losing progress. Now you refine the sequence. Use the split tool to cut out dead space, then trim ends for tighter pacing. Arrange clips on the storyboard or timeline, moving and snapping them into place. Transitions help flow, so add simple dissolves and set durations between 0.5 and 2 seconds to match tempo. Once clips are ordered, balance audio, pull background music down about 20 decibels and bring voiceovers forward. Also apply simple color correction or stabilization on shaky footage to maintain professional consistency. Finish by exporting with an appropriate preset. Choose HD 720p or 1080p and pick a bitrate suited to your platform. Higher bitrate improves quality for larger screens. Once exported, play the final file end-to-end to confirm audio sync, no visual artifacts, and consistent volume levels. If something goes wrong, try the one-key troubleshooting move. Clear the program cache, restart Windows Movie Maker, and re-import the specific file that caused trouble. This fixes most corruption and codec mismatch issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.